Can you see all those KFC के rice ball के डब्बे? Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lady Akanksha. So I know I have been MIA for so long, and talking about today's video, it's a vlog. Yes, finally I'm doing a vlog. I have been wanting to film a vlog for so long, but I don't have a vlogging camera to film the whole thing around. It's a bit difficult. I mean, with the phone, you know, the lighting and stuff need to be proper for a vlog to come out really nice and spectacular. So yeah, how many of you are really missing pizza in this quarantine? I am. So yeah, I mean, today we are gonna be we are gonna be attempting to make a pizza. What if I tell you we are gonna be making a pizza without cheese? It blew your mind, right? Same goes for me. So yeah, when I saw this video where it says that no yeast, no oven, no pizza base, no cheese pizza, I was like, without cheese you're making a pizza? You got to be kidding me, right? I decided to try it out. Basically my mom is gonna cook and I am like the sous chef, so yeah, I'm the helper. Yeah, I think I should not blabber much and we should move to the kitchen. And also, if you might be wondering why the hell am I wearing this sweater, because it is cold here, you guys. It is really cold. So yeah, now I'll actually show you what all we have done till now and what all is left. So here is the dough. It's kneaded nicely and it's kept to, I don't know why is it kept, but they just told to keep it on for like 1 hour. So it's covered with a damp cloth, and here it is, a tiny dough right here. So actually we are boiling the veggies right now. So yeah, as you saw, this is what we have done till now, and my mom is on the phone talking to some auntie right now. And yeah, I'm really excited, you guys, because pizza without cheese is really and I can't imagine it. So yeah, I'm very excited for this. So they have cooled down, so now we are gonna grind them, and then we'll add all the spices, and the red sauce is kinda ready then.
This is the paste. Then we heated a pan, added 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of the paste. Then we added red chili powder, red chili flakes and oregano. Then the rest of the paste was added.
Now we're just adding a little bit of water and some salt and some sugar, and it's done. So as you saw, the dough is getting ready and the red sauce is done, and now we'll be making the white sauce. So for that, again, it's really simple and you just need 3 or 4 ingredients, I guess, to make the white sauce. So let's dig in. So there goes in the butter, then goes 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour, then goes half cup of milk, now adding a little bit of salt.
Now I'm chopping some capsicum and onions for the topping. And you can easily tell, you guys, that I am someone who never steps into the kitchen. Like, I never cook, right?
Here is the pizza dough in making. And those are the veggies which I have cut.
Now we are assembling the pizza. So at first we applied some oil on the steel plate, and then we nicely made sure that the pizza base is like sticking to the plate.
Now goes in the red sauce.
Then adding the white sauce on top and evenly spreading out both these sauces all over the base.
So we are adding a little bit of chili flakes, and also I'll be adding some oregano on top just for the seasoning. So we are actually going to kind of steam the pizza, if that makes any sense. So this is a kadhai where we have taken some water, and on top of that we are going to be placing this, what is it called? I don't know. So we are going to be placing this, and on top of this we are going to be placing our pizza on a steel key plate. Then we'll put the lid on top. So yeah, that's how our pizza are going to be cooking. So as you can see, we have placed the pizza on our very own homemade oven, and yeah, there goes in the pizza. And now after 20 to 30 minutes, the pizza is going to be ready. So my pizza is cooking, and I thought that in the meantime, let's chat. So yeah, what are you guys doing? Can you see all those KFC ke rice ball ke dabbes? I have finished all those, about 8 or 9 rice bowls in the month of March itself. I know it's really unhealthy to have so much of bahar ka khana, but can't help it, you guys, can't help it. Rice bowl has been my current favorite, and look at me now. I am surviving without rice bowl for a month now. Yeah, that's huge. Okay, that's really huge. I'm actually missing the food, to be very honest, and to put it there, you know, I'm not missing anything else. It's just the food. If someone gives me the food like bahar ka khana right now, I'm all sorted. I'm not complaining at all. So you guys, it's almost been an hour since we put our pizza to cook, and I think till now it's cooked completely. So we are gonna go and check now. So let's go. The aroma, you guys, because of the oregano, it is so tempting. It also looks really delicious. Oh my god, you people, look at the pizza. Can you even tell that it is made without cheese? Like, seriously? Now, you guys, is the actual moment of truth. Let's taste it. Well, if you know anything about me, you know I don't like veggies on my pizza, so... It's not bad, and it's like your wheat thin crust pizza from Domino's, if I'm not wrong, because as you can see the base is pretty thin. So yeah, it's like a wheat thin crust pizza, and also the white sauce is absolutely amazingly replicating cheese. So yeah, you can definitely make this. So as you guys saw, that was how the pizza came out to be. Trust me, you guys, I'm really happy that I had something to put on my channel, because I was really unsure about the video. I mean, honestly, you guys, I was not willing to put this video unless the outcome was proper. I mean, I was like, if the pizza is gonna turn edible, that's when I'm gonna put the video. Otherwise, I'm not gonna put any sort of crappy, cooking video on my channel, because that doesn't make any sense. Because anyway, we are really frustrated in this quarantine, and on top of that, if I put some stupid, useless cooking video, then yeah, I know the struggle, you guys. So yeah, I'm really happy that the pizza came out to be really tasty. I let everyone taste it, and they were like, it's good. So yeah, I would highly recommend you people to try this pizza once in the quarantine. You will surely love it. And as you saw, the ingredients are pretty easy. If you have the basic groceries at your home, you can easily make this pizza, trust me. And you don't even need an oven, you can make it in the kadai. So again, a big plus point. You don't need cheese, you don't need yeast. What else do you need, you guys? Just go make this pizza and just have it. It's gonna soothe your soul, trust me. Okay, so yeah, I think with that it's a wrap for today's video. And please do let me know what all are you guys doing in this quarantine. Please give me some ideas. I'm just lazing around and dozing around the whole day. I don't have anything to do. I'm just sleeping and eating and sleeping and eating. That's all. That's my daily routine. And also I'm not a person who really works out, so that doesn't go well with me at all. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I just promise you guys that I will really see you really soon. When, I don't know, but I will definitely see you really soon. So yeah, with that it's a wrap finally, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.